Hi, I'm Matthew Coast, head dating coach and founder at CommitmentConnection.com. And today we're going to talk about how to attract a man. So, if you're struggling to attract a man to you, then this is exactly what you need to do. So first is you need to find a man to attract, and so if you haven't found a man to attract yet, what you need to do is go out and be open and available to men. A lot of women go out and they aren't open and they aren't available to men, and so they don't end up meeting any guys. And so first thing you need to do is go out and find a guy by being open and available for him to approach and talk to you. The second is getting his attention. So if this is the primary step that you need uh, to attract a guy to you, is you have to get his attention somehow. And most guys won't come over and approach a woman. They won't come to a woman. They won't pursue a woman unless they get some kind of invitation to do so. And so, what you want to do is you can get a guy's attention in a lot of different ways. You can, wear something that looks really good. You can make eye contact with a guy and smile. You can go over and start a conversation with him. There's a lot of different things that you can do to get a guy's attention. So the next thing that you want to do is encourage him to pursue you. And notice when I say that, I'm not saying, to, get a guy to chase you. I'm not saying that you should come on to a guy strong. I'm not saying that you should act needy and desperate. I'm saying you should encourage a guy to pursue you. Just, when he does things that when he does pursue you, or he does things that might be considered him pursuing you. You tell him that you like it. You tell him it's attractive. You let him know that you're sexually attracted to him. Tell him that he's hot, or tell him something that he did was hot and attractive. That's a very attractive thing to do with a guy and say to a guy. And so, if you do that, that can be really attractive, and he will pursue you more. Most guys are stuck in the friend zone with way too many women, and so if a guy doesn't feel like you're interested in him, he might not pursue you at all. So you want to make sure that he knows that you are interested in him sexually, as a woman and a man, as a woman to a man. You know what I mean? So the next one is creating an emotional connection with him. And so this is something that a lot of women kind of mess up on. They try to logically convince men that they should be together, and that just does not work. That doesn't work ever. I've never ever seen that work, because a guy isn't attracted to you logically. He's attracted to you emotionally, and so you have to connect with his emotions. And so there's a whole bunch of different ways to do that. You can tell stories. You can be playful, fun and playful with him. You can get connected with your feminine side. You can you can get in touch with your emotions and express your emotions without expectation. Don't use expectations, because that's incredibly unattractive. And if you want more information on how to do this, and how to attract a quality man into a committed relationship, make sure you go to my website at commitmentconnection.com and take the quiz there. I'm Matthew Coast, and I'll speak with you again soon.